Okay guys, me again from Vasilios videos. I have these spinning flowers. You know you've never seen this one in the video. Also these three video too. Not the same, but I only have a little one that I left from last night. And for interest, I left the red one right there last night over there. Next to that hole right there. I'll show you. Just right there. But it's not really bad. Nothing. It's too windy. I know about the birds. I'm sorry about the squeaking noise. Squeaking noise. You can't really hear it. It's not going to yet. See how fast that's it? See how fast it's going? It's going too fast. Yeah, that one's going fast too. It's broken. This one's broken. I don't have any back there. Stop. There's one goes. It's their metal. They're metal. I'm gonna just let them go. Let them go. Bye. Release. Oh, I just cracked that battery. Oh, there they move. Okay. Oh. I'm the one that grew first, so I'm big. Also, spinning flower. I don't know what this spinning flower is, but the same too. Very windy. Whoa! Look at that. Blowing those two really fast. It's going really fast. I showed you in the last video that the wind is blowing from over there. We're not that close to the beach, but in the winter it gets really windy. Okay, good. Still wobbling. And squeaky noise too. I can't show you them all in one shot because that one right there. That broken one on the one with the orange blade I nearly broke. Yep, that one's still spinning fast. Love it so much. Don't do that. My baby sister is my new baby sister. Stop! You're not doing that. Whoa! It's getting so windy now. When am I going to break? Interesting, this one not breaking. They were hitting in the background. The one stops. No! No! Really windy. Really windy. Really windy. Bye, guys. Blade didn't break, so bye.